So the main research question of our lab is how the tumor microenvironment drives tumor progression and therapeutic responses. So we are using different in vitro studies, in vivo studies, organoids, and we are using molecular biology, cellular biology, bioinformatics analysis. So our ultimate aim is to find out the molecular and cellular mechanism, how the tumor microenvironment is changing the cellular behavior, cancer cell behavior, and their response to our therapeutics. It's primarily faculty guided, but then we allow the students, the researchers here in the lab, they collaborate with us so that they can also contribute their ideas. So together we can have more productive, more successful research. So where they can also have some their ownership, and ultimately it is maintaining the alignment with our research, our lab's main focus. Well, that fosters the independence, intellectual merit, scientific rigor, and ultimately our main focus is to train the trainees here to become a more successful, more independent, more confident researcher. Yeah, it's more structures hand-on, but also the independence later on. So at the very beginning, I am more hands-on, trying to help them, trying to see whether they need any help in each and every steps. But as they progress towards their degree, I think I leave them, I give them more chances to that, so that they can come up with their ideas. I am always there to help them whenever they need. I always prioritize productivity. So that is one of the most important things. They can come and go, but I try to see that when they are maintaining their consistent progress. So if that is there, they can have their time so that they can maintain their work-life balance properly. So we have a weekly lab meeting. Besides that, I meet one-on-one. Especially the new students, when they are just starting, I try to meet them once weekly, but as they progress again, do it bi-weekly, or even if they need more, try to talk to me for any types of, if they are stuck with some experiment, they need some help with me, as I'm always available, so they can come and then talk to me. So it's basically need-based. Whenever they need, I'm there. I think collaborative engagement are very transparent to begin with. We always, I'm always very clear whenever any students, they're working on any project, which is, at the end, we're going to publish the paper. They are well aware of that thing, about their contribution, and which is aligned with the NIH guideline, how much they need to contribute in order to be an author. So it is very clear and transparent from the very beginning. Oh, my lab is very fun-loving. I think it's very supportive lab, very intellectually engaging. They all are helping each other, trying to foster a very collaborative atmosphere. So we spend quite a few longer period of time to discuss about science. At the same time, we celebrate our birthdays together. We go hang out together. We go outside sometimes. But at the end, we try to make this lab atmosphere very friendly, very supportive, and intellectually engaging, so that it can help each and everyone to produce a good science.